So, you're thinking about joining the Tesla revolution, huh? You're not alone. With their sleek designs, mind-blowing tech, and the promise of a greener future, Tesla cars have captured the imagination of millions. But how do you actually go about buying one in Canada? Let's dive in. Now, unlike traditional car buying, there's no haggling, no dealer drama. Tesla's sales model is as revolutionary as their cars. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want a Tesla in the first place. We all know about the environmental benefits: reduced carbon footprint, cleaner air. But Tesla offers so much more. Imagine a car that essentially upgrades itself with over-the-air software updates. Picture a touchscreen interface that controls everything from climate to entertainment. And don't forget about autopilot, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that, while not fully autonomous, can make your drive significantly safer and less stressful. Alright, let's talk about the models. You've got the Model S, the original luxury sedan, packed with performance and range. Then there's the Model 3, the more affordable option without compromising on tech or style. The Model X is the SUV for those who want space and luxury combined with electric power. And finally, the Model Y, a compact SUV that's perfect for families or those who prioritize practicality without sacrificing performance. Once you've picked your dream Tesla, it's time to configure it. This is where the fun begins. Choose your exterior color, interior trim, wheel size, and add any optional features like enhanced autopilot or a premium audio system. Tesla gives you a lot of control over customizing your car to your exact taste. Next up, pricing. Tesla's website is your best friend here. You can get a clear breakdown of the cost, including any available incentives or rebates. Remember, prices can fluctuate, so it's worth checking back regularly. Now, let's talk about buying. Unlike traditional car dealerships, Tesla doesn't have a vast network of physical stores. Instead, they have Tesla stores and service centers strategically located across Canada. You can visit a store to experience the cars firsthand, but most of the buying process happens online. Tesla offers a few purchase options: outright purchase, financing through Tesla, or leasing. Each option has its pros and cons, so it's important to weigh your financial situation and needs. Once you've chosen your purchase option, you'll need to provide your personal information, driving history, and financial details. Tesla will run a credit check and, if approved, you'll need to put down a deposit. Delivery is another thing Tesla does differently. Instead of waiting weeks or months, you can often get your Tesla delivered within a few days or weeks. Tesla provides clear timelines during the ordering process, so you know exactly when to expect your new ride. And let's not forget about charging. Tesla has its own supercharger network, which provides fast charging options across the country. Plus, you can charge at home with a Tesla wall connector or a standard home charger. So, there you have it, a basic guide to buying a Tesla in Canada. Remember, the electric vehicle market is constantly evolving, so it's always a good idea to stay updated on the latest news and incentives. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.